Hello everyone. I'm doing the Operation Avalon right now. So these Aegis Joint Operations sites. Rage. Okay. These are pretty easy, but some of the NPCs neutralizes the capacitor. For example, I think this Harbinger will do that. So we need a large cap battery, right? So let's see if I need to load the let's load the Javelin for the slasher, or even the I could have done the defection ammo too. So any heavy assault cruiser works in these sites, right? But yeah, bring one large cap battery. Otherwise, your capillary would be sucked dry almost 100%. So let's load the Rage now. But as you can see, with the large cap battery, my capacitor holds. So I did 2 sites without capacitor battery. In the first site, I didn't meet with capacitor neutralizers. In the second, I met, and my capacitor was sucked dry once, but I survived, fortunately. Then I replaced one module with a large cap battery. Many people does these sites with a tactical cruiser. Of course, that's even better. You need to check the wrecks because sometimes they drop loot. Okay. First, I kill the Oracle now. 23 fight range. I think there are 3 waves, and then a battleship warp in, and that's the main enemy. That's the director, deputy director, and we need to kill 15 to finish this mission for the reward truck for this. So yeah, we get 250 points. Okay, nothing in the wreck. So let's load the Navy. Navy is okay too. Although I'm not sure I want to change this. Yeah, Navy is okay too because I have 2 precision scripts, so it dies fast. Okay, now these guys. So now I first kill the frigates. So as you can see, these are much stronger versions of the normal NPC. So this is a frigate, right? And it's even worse than the Tech 2 one, I think. And after this, I killed the Thorax. I think the battleship will spawn. Oh, by the way, all the enemies has vulnerability to EM, except some battleships have different vulnerabilities. Let's load the Mjolnir Rage for best damage against this guy. So It's best if you have EMMO, which can does EM, like a laser ship, or you know, a missile ship. But really anything can work. So these don't have that much HP. So you know, like I mean, a Cerberus is fine too. Now here is the deputy. Oops, the director. So let's go for it. Nothing dropped anything so far. The deputy director always drops something. Let's reload because we have a little bit of time to get. Oh wait, this is now Apocalypse is kinetic. Oh wait, no. I have but kinetic is better, right? Scourge rate. Let's load the Scourge rate. So sometimes apocalypse spawns, and then you need either explosive or, well, even kinetic is okay, right? Now let's start shooting. And I saw some people doing these sites with faction cruisers too. So yeah, you don't need like a godlike tank for these sites. I could use... it's okay. So let's see what... By the way, at one site I got a +5 mining plugin. What is it? Implant, right? And that worth more than 100 million. I was surprised. Okay, so that was the site. This is really easy, and we are done here, so no more sites. So the guys finished, but that's it. So this is a really easy event if you can find sites where there are not many competition, unfortunately. So by the way, let's dock. I don't want to stay in space, you know. Gankers can come anytime. But anyway, so if you want to find this size, then this is how you can do this. Show on map, right? And these are, so you need to, the activity, you need to set Operation Avalon in the activity tab on your map. But if you come from here, from this encounters, agency encounters, Operation Avalon, then it will be set automatically. And we have here 6 jumps. That's not far away. So yeah, we can go there. You find these sites here, there, right? So it's easy. Also, then let's undock. Let's go there. Maybe I find. Maybe there won't be too many people there. Also, so it's easy. These combat sites are easy. Now let's load the Javelin. Mjolnir Javelin, right? So. There are also salvaging. So salvaging is easy. So those are the salvage sites, what you see in this probe scanner. And there are no enemies there, just wrecks. You jump in and there are like 5, 6, 7, well, maybe more, maybe somewhere between 5 and 10 wrecks. You just salvage those, and that's it. So, and that's an additional 250 points in this track. And you can repeat these. There are also scanning, right? Challenge too. So if you like scanning and hacking, right? but you can finish this track if you finish salvaging twice and this combat sites twice. But for finish once, you need to do 15 combat sites, right? And that's like, yeah, probably the same amount if you salvage from the salvage sites, even more, because I think there are less than 10 wrecks. So I think I finished 2 sites, salvage sites, but I'm not sure, I don't remember exactly. So the only problem with this event is that it's only 2 weeks long, so that means more people try to do these sites at the same time. So probably it's better if you are in Gallente or Minmatar space, right? Because less people live there. I tried it in Omar space too. That's not much better than in terms of these sites than Caldari space. But anyway, that's it. So if you are wondering about the ship, this particular ship, this is quite a cheap fit. So you can see here everything is Tech 2. I will post this fit in the description of this video if you want to use this, right? But nothing special, yeah. Yeah, the most expensive ones are the armor reinforcers. That's it. By the way, I use this for level 4 missions too, although I don't use the cap battery for level 4 missions because this is a cap stable without the cap battery. So I use this only for this event because of the capacitor neutralizers. Oh, okay. There are some gankers here. But that's it. So thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video and it helped you with this event, and see you later. Bye.